The new year calls for fresh new resolutions. That may sound cliche, but for some people, it can actually mean the beginning of something great. And one of the top things on everyone's list is getting fit. We understand it's something that's easier said than done, and it can be due to the fact that you're feeling lazy, have never gone to the gym before, or you just don't enjoy exercising. But don't worry, we're here to help you out and make sure you stick to your resolution of getting fit in the new year. And how will we do this? By telling you about the exercises that are best for you if you are a beginner. From modified planks to assisted squats, these exercises are fairly simple to do, won't put too much strain on your body, and would condition your body for more complex exercises that you might want to do in the future. So keep watching. Number 1. Press up. This is an exercise that you can do easily at home. It will also prepare you for progression to the more demanding shoulder exercises you'll face in a gym, like the incline bench press. This move uses multiple muscle groups for maximum growth and strengthens your shoulder joints. Get down into a press-up position with your hands placed shoulder width apart and your back flat, so a straight line forms from your head to heels via your glutes. Lower your body until your chest is an inch from the ground, then explosively drive up by fully extending your arms. That's 1 rep. Number 2. Dumbbell squat. Squats are an excellent all-year-round exercise and one of the best moves for building your overall strength. Dumbbells let you concentrate on technique and work on your range of movement at low weight. Only advance to barbell squats in the gym once you've got this down. Holding a dumbbell in each hand, position your legs shoulder width apart, keeping your head up and back straight. Sit back into the squat until the dumbbells are an inch from the floor. Focus on keeping your knees over your toes and chest out. Don't arch your back or lean forward as you drop down. Exhale, straighten your legs, and return to the starting position. Number 3. Elbow plank. Planks can hit all the major muscle groups of your core, including transverse, straight, oblique abdominal muscles, and buttocks. Not only will it help you shed fat from your waistline, but also help you functionally perform better while performing other activities. Kneel down on the mat, place your elbows on the floor, and assume the table pose. Engage your core, lift your right knee off the floor, extend your right leg back, and gently place your right toes on the floor. Supporting your body on your elbows and right toes, lift your left knee off the floor, extend your left leg back, and gently place your left toes on the floor. Your spine should be in line with your hips and neck. Gaze at the floor. Hold this pose for 10 to 20 seconds. Release the pose, rest for 10 seconds, and repeat. Try doing 3 sets holding for 10 to 30 seconds. Number 4. Mountain climbers. The mountain climber is a bodyweight floor exercise similar to a plank, but is a hybrid of cardio and strength training. It works on your deltoids, biceps, triceps, glutes, core, quads, and hamstrings. It can significantly improve muscle coordination, balance, and your posture along with burning fat. Assume a table position. Extend your right leg back and then your left leg. Keep your spine straight, your elbows right below your shoulders, and your gaze on the floor. This is the starting position. Now flex your right knee and bring it close to your chest. Hold it for a second and then slowly bring it back to the starting position. As you place your right foot on the floor, hop with your left leg. Flex your left knee and bring it close to your chest. Bring your left leg back to the starting position. Hop on your right leg, flex your right knee, and bring the right knee close to your chest. Try to do 3 sets of 12 reps. Number 5. Glutes Bridge. Glutes Bridge strengthens 2 of your main posterior chain muscles directly, your glutes and hamstrings. Strong glutes and hamstrings are critical to avoiding injury as you progress in your training. Lie down on the ground with your knees bent and feet flat. Dig into your heels. Lift your hips and squeeze your glutes as you come up into a bridge position. Hold at the top for 1 to 2 seconds. Then lower down and repeat. Keep your hips level throughout. If it's too easy, place your feet on a ledge or bench, or hold a weight on your hips. Do 3 sets of 15 reps with 45 seconds of rest between sets. Number 6. Knee push-up. This is a beginner-style push-up which will help you build strength before attempting a standard push-up. Get into a high plank position from your knees. Maintaining a straight line from your head to your knees, Bend your elbows and lower yourself down to the ground. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Push back up to start. Number 7. Bird Dog. Although the bird dog is a full-body move that requires balance and stability, you can easily scale this exercise to your ability level. You can start with the beginner's version that we have for you. Get on all fours, ensuring your hands are directly underneath your shoulders and your knees are underneath your hips. Keeping your neck neutral, simultaneously extend your left arm and right leg, keeping your hips square to the ground. Pause here for 2 seconds. Return to the start position. Repeat with your right arm and left leg. Number 8. The Reverse Fly. The reverse fly is an exercise that mainly targets your upper back and shoulders. Including this in your regular workout can be very beneficial if you're a beginner. It uses various muscles found in your shoulders and back, like deltoid, rhomboid, and center trapezius muscles, and can be performed when sitting, standing, or even lying face down on a weight bench. Hold a dumbbell in each hand. Keep your back straight, not arched or hunched. With your elbows slightly bent, slowly lift the weights to where your hands reach shoulder level, or a little before shoulder level. Then lower the weights back to the floor. Perform 15 reps initially and increase as you keep doing it regularly. Number 9. Static Lunge. Lunges are an incredible exercise to include your quads and gluteal muscles, particularly the static lunge. It gives your body a break and helps to lose weight in your lower body. In the event that you're hoping to condition your legs to some degree, look to the static lunge. Step forward with one leg while moving to your knee with the other, keeping your abdominal area adjusted and abs contracted. Hold this for 30 seconds. At that point, repeat on the opposite side, completing 5 to 10 reps. Rather than stepping forward to perform your activity, you remain with one foot forward and the other back, making a triangle with your legs. Without moving your feet, bring down your back leg until your knee nearly touches the floor while bending your front leg. At that point, repeat with the opposite side. To reduce the force of your activity, hold on to a seat or other sort of help. In the event that you need a harder exercise, hold dumbbells next to you. Perform 10 to 15 reps for each side. Number 10. Bicep Curl. This is the perfect move for developing those minor muscles you crave. By keeping your upper arm stationary, you hit the whole bicep for maximum growth. Stand with a dumbbell in each hand. Now, keeping your arms stationary, curl the weights until the dumbbells are at shoulder level. Focus on keeping your elbows still. Make sure to only move your lower arm. Squeeze your bicep at the top of the contraction and then lower slowly and repeat. Side lying hip abduction. You may not think about strengthening your hip muscles until they start to bother you, but please reconsider. This is especially the case if you sit all day. Counteracting that with hip-targeting movements will be very beneficial. Lie on your left side with your left leg straight, and right foot resting on the ground. Lift your right leg up, maintaining the position of your body. Make sure your hips don't open up. Return to the start position. Repeat for the desired number of reps, then do the other side. Number 12. Deadbug. This is a fairly easy exercise for beginners, which may look complicated, but it's not. Just lie on your back with your hands above you and feet up so your knees are at 90 degrees. Strengthen one leg until your heel is an inch from the floor and then return it to the start position. Repeat with the other leg. By extending your legs and hovering your heels, you work on your core stabilizers, not just your abs. That means you're building muscle you can use on the sports field and for more complex exercises, not just to look good. Number 13. Bicycle Crunch. Bicycle crunch can be an easy exercise for you as a beginner if you're looking to get good abs. Lie on your back and bring your legs to a tabletop position. Bend your elbows and put your hands behind your head. Crunch up and bring your right elbow to your left knee, straightening your right leg. Release the crunch slightly. Bend your right leg and straighten your left leg, then bring your left elbow to your right knee. Repeat for the desired number of reps. So, start working on your New Year's resolution to get fit using the exercises that we talked about today, and let us know how that worked out for you in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video, and enjoy.